Hello and welcome to Wednesday evening. I'm me, and we are going to be hopefully generating some new raid graphics tonight. You've got me in the soft light because my green screen can't quite stop the sun sort of going down, hitting against the magnolia walls and creating this kind of soft environment. And I think with my pink head and pink shirt, I think it's nice, it's gentle, it's warm. It's like Angel Delight. Hello, Josie Russell. So in addition to egg being back on the table, I have also implemented an egg spin, which you can trigger by ! spin egg, but only put 1 G in, because the normal egg trigger is so sensitive that any... Yeah, it works. You can spin the egg. I don't know why I put that in. Well, I do know why, actually. I do actually know why, and I'll tell you for why now. In addition to everything else you can do... Yeah, we got an egg. We've got an egg now. Don't know how long the egg will last. At the moment, it's very welcome. Yes, there's going to be a lot of new features coming in. There's going to be a lot of new stuff coming in because I'm learning how to use a new utility called Leoran Board.
Egg.
And amongst a lot of other things, it can move scenes around. So it can do a lot of what early Mother Brain could do. So it could move a scene around, and it can rotate a scene. It can do all your basic transform properties to a scene, and it can do them in order. So actually, it's like it's end of season 1 Mother Brain now. It only took me 2 years to get to that point. If you want spin egg map, you have to put ! spin egg, all one word, but 1 G, because anything with 2 Gs will just trigger the normal egg. Actually, I don't know. I don't know what happens if you put in spin egg with 2 Gs. I think it would try and trigger both. And I don't know. Oh, and also, I have overridden how it generates the sound effects, so you can potentially get more than 1 egg coming off at once.
Egg. 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 Egg.
Okay, I can't actually type that fast, but you can get a greater speed of eggs than ever before. The egg volume is lowish. You think it's too low?
Egg.
Yeah, you want louder egg. Alright, hang on. I know how to cank the egg. 1 second. There'll be a louder egg coming in just a moment. Okay, try now. Now the egg should be louder.
Egg.
We have egg now. And we also have spin egg. That's what we have at the moment.
Egg.
But we're going to have a lot more.
Egg.
It doesn't look like much,
Egg.
but pre-programmed rotation in
Egg.
OBS was a long dream. Why egg? Oh, because in 1996, a Conservative MP suggested that you weren't allowed to talk about eggs anymore
Egg.
because of political correctness. So I banned the word egg for maybe a week and a bit. But now I've not only brought egg back, but I've brought it back in a big way. There's always a bit of lore. Yes, sort of. Sort of. That was last week. Yeah, I think so. Things move pretty fast here. I don't take anything into consideration beyond my most recent memories. So basically, the stream is going to become incredibly powerful just as soon as I get my ass in gear. Oh, and also, let me not forget, right at the top, that we had a very, very important arrival today of a little book called Zine Machine, which you can see here. We have a whole bunch of copies. And they are now available. That's Plems. Maggie, I put yours in. Yours is in sideways because it was landscape. So I put it like this because that's the only way it would go in. Well, I'm mirrored. I'm mirrored. That's now available. It has come off quite nice. I picked some of the nicer options. It's 170 GSM, so it's pretty nice. But I did ask it to be staple bound because I still wanted it to feel like a zine. There were other binding options, but I wanted it to feel like a zine. But the actual stuff it's printed on is quite decent. Yeah, you got to deal with the mirroring, and you've got to deal with the fact that it's green screening a lot of the green off. But I think it's come out quite nice. Sadly, yeah, I've rendered it unintelligible in how I'm showing it to you. Okay, so I want to start brainstorming what the ideal user experience would be for a raid. So obviously I send people into raids all the time, and they've got like events that happen. They've got things, they sing songs, they've got special raid scenes. It's an audio-visual experience, and it makes the newcomer feel so welcome. But also, it tells them what they're getting in for. And for years, people raid into my channel, and I go, "Oh God," and then I go, "Oh, there's quite a lot of context." What I'm doing is really has become weird, or there's a bit of context for this. Are you ready to hear 3 to 4 minutes of explanation? And that's not what they want. They want a jarring combination of sights and sounds.
My brain is utterly fucked.
Sean Mo one hark, Sean Mo one hark, Sean Mo one hark.
Do I have ads enabled on my channel? Ads is not a thing you can turn on and off. It is, if you go into affiliate, which gives you the full range of options for Twitch, it allows you to save your VODs, it allows you to have subs, then ads are unavoidable. There is something I can do where if I intentionally run ads at certain times, which I'd forgotten about this, but if I intentionally run ads at certain times, I get a window in which no one has to experience ads. One thing I used to do, but recently have dropped off on doing because I've forgotten, is if I go live a little bit earlier and then run 2 to 3 minutes of ads, I can get 30 to 40 minutes of ad-free. But it won't help all raiders. Additionally, if I ever take a little break, like for a cup of tea or whatever, I could run ads then, and that means other people won't have to deal with them. But the short answer to your question is yes, ads are enabled, and I can't turn them off. Also, yes, hello, Dr. Plem. I hope your holiday was very nice.
Egg.
The egg can now spin. To everyone just joining us, the egg can spin now. If you want to do spin egg, please only use 1G in spin egg. In fact, have we tested spin egg with 2Gs? I think I know how it's going to look. I think it's going to
Egg.
stop. I think it's going to stop it premature. Yeah.
Egg.
Yeah, it's not doing what we want, is it? Okay. If I were to get very little... Also,
Egg.
one thing Leorin Board can do, which nothing else so far can do, can edit filters. So do you see these little guys, my friends? Would you want a trigger that lets you turn these on and off? Oh, that's interesting. 30 seconds at the start of the raid rather to begin immediately. Are ads always 30 seconds? Is there a way of knowing exactly how long, like the maximum length that ads can take? How long are Twitch ads? That's a good search. This is very clever. How long are Twitch ads? Yeah. How long is the standard Twitch ads? 30 seconds long and unskippable. So, yeah, can I program it so it pushes ads straight away? I think I can do anything. No, I don't mean for raids. I just mean, do you want that in general?
Egg.
Egg. Why did egg happen then? A little ghost in the machine. Let's get on some music that is more appropriate for thinking. Have we got music that's appropriate for thinking?
Egg.
Not this, is it? Music that's appropriate for thinking. Royalty free, Creative Commons, thinking music. Very nice. You know, that could be more in my head, couldn't it? It could be more where my head tends to be. It's over here, I think. Hi, Mono. Royalty-free thinking music. Music to think to. Top 10 free ambient music.
Egg.
How ambient? Because if it's too ambient, I won't think. Okay, sure. Sure, I could think
Egg.
to this.
Egg.
Is the egg always upside down? It's not supposed to be.
Egg.
I think it's a I think it's an error of spin egg. Hang on, if we keep
Egg.
spin egg.
Egg.
Oh, it's always ending upside down. Hang on, let me reset the egg. The egg's the wrong way around. Okay, hang on. Ah.
Egg.
Ah, I think I understand. Hang on, so if I do spin egg now...
Egg.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I know how to fix this. I know how to fix it. I'm fixing it the weird way around.
Egg.
If the rotation starts at 180... What's 180 plus 360? 420? No, 520. Spin egg.
Egg.
Right. Oh.
Egg.
Oh, no, that's not right. Not 540? 180. 360.
Egg.
This music's doing my head in. This music sucks. This music's doing my head in. 180. 540. Okay, 540. Now the egg will be correct. So the egg can now spin. I press up. So now spin egg should spin the egg, but the egg ends. No, the egg's rotated. What's? Are you sure it's 540? Something's gone wrong. Hang on, let me look at the egg. That's wrong. That's wrong. That's not how it's supposed to be. The egg should be like this. That's a correct egg. And so then if I spin the egg...
Egg.
Crescent me. I am. That's the wrong egg.
Egg. Egg.
And then it's
Egg.
ending like this. Oh, hang on. I didn't push the change correctly.
Egg.
This should fix it. There we go. And now if we look at the egg again,
Egg.
it's the right way around. The egg's fine. Everyone, calm down. The egg is fine. Maybe the egg was happy looking like that. The egg's on the crescent. The egg is on the clock. I'm not here for the egg to laze around. Give us the wrong egg. Yeah, do you want a command for wrong egg? I can put in a wrong egg if you like. Yeah, I can do that. Hang on, let me do that 1 second. But then I've got to put in a command to fix the egg. Yeah, hang on 1 second. I can sort this. So this wrong egg. We want wrong egg. Well,
Egg.
because it's upside down, Mono. Because it's upside down is why.
Egg. Egg.
Okay, and the trigger
Egg.
for this would be
Egg.
wrong egg. Okay, try exclamation mark wrong egg,
Egg.
and then it should turn the egg upside down. Oh, hang on.
Egg.
Huh. Okay, so the egg is now wrong. Yeah? The egg's wrong now.
Egg.
But then we need a command to make the egg correct again. So I'm going to make one called right egg or fix egg. Can the audio alert also be upside down? What is an upside down audio alert of the word egg? Shall I reverse it? Yeah, I'll just reverse it. I think that's what's being asked of me. Okay, so it would be this.
Yeah. Forget. Forget.
I mean, I can save that. Yeah, I'll put that in. And then also I'll make a new alert, which is like fixing the egg so the egg is the correct way round again. Fixing the egg so the egg is the correct way round again. Oh, I think I cut myself off a little bit at the end there. Fixing the egg so that the egg is the correct way round again. But in an ideal world, that would only be triggerable if we can do an if event and check that the egg is broken. Because I don't want us to be able to fix an egg that there's nothing wrong with. That would be a good opportunity for me to test the if event. Fix. Okay, so firstly, wrong egg needs to play the wrong egg noise.
Egg.
So can you test that now? There should now be a command which is wrong egg. Can you test wrong egg, please?
Egg.
That must be 2 eggs. King of Time. No, we've got
yeah.
1 egg.
Egg. Yeah.
It sounds like it's playing both sounds. It sounds like it's playing egg and Okay, and then we also want fix egg. And fix egg. What I probably need... Here, come with me on a little journey. Come with me on a little journey. Get rid of these guys. Let's learn how to do this together. Stop getting egg wrong. Hi, Jambird.
Egg.
Thank you, Harry Hardy, for triggering the welcome bear. I love seeing new faces in chat, and I love seeing the community go from strength to strength. I'm just trying to get something that will fix the egg. I think what we need is maybe some kind of if statement, or that it pulls a source of value and it names it. Huh. So am I naming that variable?
Egg.
I think this isn't going to work. So the rotation, and we're going to call it egg rot. We'll call it egg rot. So it's going to pull the egg rot. Going to pull the egg rot of scene overlay, source egg, and it's going to pull the rotation. It's going to call it egg rot, and then it's going to say, "Oh, this is getting too confusing."
Egg.
Yeah, and then it will say, so when the egg is wrong, when the egg is upside down, then the rotation is 360.
Egg.
So I'm going to say if egg rot equals, okay, let me get an if. Let me get an if statement.
Egg.
So if egg rot equals 360, no delay, then everything else falls into this.
Egg.
Or we could say does not equal.
Egg.
Then you do all the following. Then you do this. And we'll change that to say we're fixing the egg. Is that going to work? Have I understood this? Do people follow what I'm doing?
Egg.
Okay. It shouldn't be 180. Don't worry. There's a reason. Ignore the numbers. The numbers are... Ignore the numbers, just follow the logic. So, we have an egg. And the egg is currently upside down, so we should be able to fix egg. Fix egg. Huh, why can't we fix the egg? If statement. Yeah? Fixing the egg so that the egg is the correct way around again. Oh, I spelt the trigger wrong. Yeah, the trigger should only have one G in it. There we go. So, let's check on the egg. The egg is the wrong way around. So we're going to fix the egg. Fix egg. Fixing the egg so that the egg is the correct way around again. Oh, but fixing the egg so the egg is the correct way around again has got the wrong values in it because fixing the egg also turns the egg upside down. So we want fixing the egg so it's the wrong way around again. We actually want it to end up so that the egg is the correct way around again. So now we're going to look at the egg. The egg is upside down, so we're going to fix the egg. Fixing the egg so that the egg is the correct way around again. Now we're going to look at the egg, and the egg is the correct way around. And if I've done this correctly, fixing the egg so that the egg is the correct way around again. Oh, doesn't work because you shouldn't be able to fix the egg if the egg is the correct way around. You can't fix a fixed egg. Okay, Harry, stop. 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 Stop, Harry, stop. Stop. Harry, stop. Okay, so... Yeah, so... Currently, if you just spin the egg, it spins It just spins 360 degrees around, but... What I want to happen is... Okay, so at the moment... Is we want to look at the rotation value. I don't think there should be a delay on grabbing that value. So the idea is, if the egg is 180 degrees, that's correct. But if the egg is 360 or 0 degrees, that's wrong. Can you spin the egg at a faster speed? Yes. So I'm asking it to take what the rotation number is, and we're going to call that egg rot. Ending fix egg at 180 is correct. If the... Yeah, you're right. If it's 360 degrees, maybe you're right. Maybe you're right. Thank you, Andy Plem. All right, we're going to go through it again. We're going to look at our egg. Is the egg the right way around? The egg is the right way around. So if we do fix egg, it shouldn't work now. Yes! Okay, and now we're going to break the egg. And we're going to spin it, okay? We're going to do wrong egg. Wrong egg.
Yeah.
Okay, so now the egg is the wrong way around. So now we should be able to fix egg. Oh,
Egg.
hang on. Hang on, one more time. Oh.
Egg.
Hang on. So the egg is the wrong way around. The egg is upside down. That means the egg currently has a value. Oh, no, it does. It has a value of 360. And so if egg rot has a value of 360, then egg rot should work. If egg rot equals 360, then start a rotation that ends on 180.
Egg.
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 Hi, D-Dan.
Egg.
If the egg rot, if the egg rot,
Yeah. Egg.
maybe do not equal to 180. 100, yeah, sure. If the egg rot does not equal 180. Hi Beth, thank you very much for triggering the welcome bear. I love seeing new faces in the chat, and I love seeing this community grow from strength to strength. Beth, do you like egg? Let me check on the egg. The egg is upside down, so we should be able to fix the egg. Fixing the egg so that the egg is the correct way round again. Okay, so the egg is now the correct way round again. And now if we look at the egg is correct. And now we shouldn't be able to fix the egg again. Fixing the egg so that the egg is the correct way round again. This is fucked. This is fucked.
Egg.
Fixing the egg so that the egg is the correct way round again. Doesn't make any sense, does it?
Egg.
Definitely going to increase that. Upside down egg is wrong, Joe. So that the egg is the correct way round again.
Egg. Egg.
Okay, I think the problem. Reception means that you can't fix a fixed egg. Fixing the egg so that the egg is the correct way round again.
Egg. Egg.
No. An egg has one way up. Maybe I'm doing this wrong. Okay, so maybe when I get the... Let's look up the documentation for OBS pull source value. Okay, Lure and board. Documentation. OBS pull source value. Okay, so let's look at pulling source value. Don't egg for a bit so that I can... Fixing the egg so that the egg is the correct way round again. Don't egg. Don't egg. Fixing the egg so that the egg is the correct way round again. Don't egg. What's with the echo? Fixing the egg so that the egg is the correct way round again. Is everyone hearing an echo? Fixing the egg so that the egg is the correct way round. Don't egg. Harry, don't egg. Harry, don't egg. So I'm using okay, just gonna I'm out Harry Hardy. just a couple of minutes with no egg. Ugh. I just need to read this. Okay, pull. Okay. It's a variable. Yeah, exactly. Look, a variable name to save the pulled value into. Rotation returns a degree of rotation of the source from 0 to 360. You can't say egg these days.
Egg.
You can say egg. Oh, no, please actually don't say egg because I just... This looks like I'm doing it correct. Yeah, I unbanned it and now it's gone too far. It's gone too far. And now I'm timing out people saying egg too much.
Egg.
Can you stop saying egg? Look. I'm doing this correctly, right? It looks at the egg source. It looks at the rotation.
Egg.
Yeah, don't even mention egg. Like, don't say, I'm not going to say egg. Just don't say egg. And so if egg rot doesn't equal 180...
Egg. Egg.
No, hang on. The confusing thing is that 180 is correct. So 180 is
Egg.
right, and everything else. If, then, and then the then is fix the egg. Was that literally your first ever timeout, Harry? That absolutely cannot be true.
Egg.
It's not the egg stream. We're making raid graphics. This is nothing to do with egg. Now help me fix this egg.
Egg.
I'll fix the egg in my own time. Hang on. Poll.
Egg. 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 Egg.
Okay, do we want to fix the egg or do we want to just make the raid graphics? What's most important to people now?
Egg. Egg.
Yeah, the egg is upside down. Look at it.
Egg.
The egg's the wrong way around. We
Egg.
need to
Egg.
fix the egg. Fixing the egg so that the egg is the correct way around again. Also, Andy Plem gave some advice on this. Does anyone? I mean, I know that you don't necessarily know this program, but I feel like
Egg.
my logic makes sense.
Egg. Egg.
I think it should be explicitly when the value is fixing the egg so that the egg is the correct way around again. Because you need to store that value in a variable. And then there's the variable. Oh, no. I know what it would be. Leorum board call variable. Maybe there's a thing for calling the variable. Leorum board call variable. Yeah. Maybe you need to do a thing to say you're using a variable. Change variable. Variable, real or string. No, I don't. It might be. Hang on. I'm just going to test something. You all hear an echo, right? Oh, interesting. So you can't hear it say egg now, can you? Is the egg silent now? You can't hear egg.
Egg.
Huh, interesting.
Egg.
So I think it's picking up the egg noise via desktop sounds. Oh no, but that wouldn't explain an echo.
Egg.
I hear it once, you hear it once. And now there's an echo on the egg. But are you all hearing an echo? Oh, my voice is echoing.
Egg.
My voice is echoing. And is everyone getting that? Is my voice echoing for everyone? I have no idea. Voice is echoing when I edit in Leorum board. Not everyone is hearing echoes. Okay, it looks like we're doing more egg. Even though I tried to split the egg vote, egg won. Yeah, egg overall. If you combine egg and votes for egg and votes for egg, egg got double the votes of the actual thing that I want to do.
Egg.
Um. Do I need to put the variable in quote marks, maybe? I want an example of yeah, show an example. No, this looks normal. Ah, look. Look in the example. When you call the variable, you put it in these dollar signs and slashes. So that's got to be what I'm not doing
Egg.
right. So I'm going to put slash dollar sign. Inserts are not allowed in yellow boxes. You can type a variable name directly, no need for insert. But then why aren't you working, please? Why aren't you working?
Egg.
Okay, is the egg the right way around?
Egg.
Egg, it is. Let's wrong the egg. What's the command for breaking the egg? Wrong egg. Is it wrong egg? Wrong egg.
Yeah.
Okay, so the egg's going the wrong way around now. And now we want to fix the egg. Hang on, let's try again. Now we want to fix the egg.
Egg.
Huh? And now we can't fix the egg. That's completely wrong. Hang on. Fixing the egg so that the egg is the correct way around again. And now, can you fix the egg again? Fixing the egg so that the egg is the correct way around again. But I was close. I'm close to something. Look, because if I make this be equals rather than not equals, you can't double fix. Like I can't fix it now. Oh, but can I fix it? Can I fix it when it's spin egg?
Egg.
Okay. And now can I fix it? Oh, I can't fix it ever. It's just broken. And even if I wrong it, wrong egg.
Yeah.
And can I fix the egg now? No, I've just broken it. So whenever egg rot equals 360, but currently egg rot, if egg is wrong egg,
Yeah.
okay, that puts the egg into 360. And so this should work because it is currently, egg rot is equal to 360 unless this variable is not saved in the way that you would imagine. So let's pull up rotation. Returns the degree of rotation of the source. No, because the egg never is 0 degrees. The way the egg is set up, I'm going off what the rotation values are in OBS. This egg is never at 0 degrees. Let me show you. Can we check the value of the variable anyway? Yeah, maybe. Yeah,
Okay.
maybe. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, let's have a try. Let's add a new command to print the value of the variable. I guess we'll do an OBS and we'll put it into a text file or something like that. We'll put it into yeah, okay, so I'll make a text file and I'll call it egg text. Hey Shaman Steve. I have gone wildly off topic, but I will eventually get around to what I intend to do. So at the moment it says egg here. But what if we could print the value of the variable on this egg? So and we don't want this in the if statement. So we're going to OBS command,
egg,
and then we're going to change the text. I think it's a text GDI1, and it's going to print. What's the source? It's egg text. Let me just check it works at all. So I'm just going to put in the word piss. And then we're going to see if we write fix egg, whether it changes the word egg to the word piss. Okay, so we're just going to check if this works. No. I'm probably going to need to experiment with this off of stream. I thought I knew what I was doing. Unless... Yeah, this is a GDI. OBS commands, yeah, GDI plus. Egg text.
egg,
It did work. Oh, it is on a 3-second disconnected that. Oh,
Egg.
you can see that
Egg.
it's set to 3 seconds by default. Okay, so if I do fix egg,
egg,
now it says big ham. Okay, I know what I'm doing. I'm very powerful. So now I should be able to pull the string. The egg rotation value. No, that's going to be too much. That's too long. Just put egg rot in this, I think, and then it should call the value and tell us exactly. D-Dan, I initially thought you had counted the milliseconds, and I was really pressed. Fix egg. Huh.
egg,
That egg's at 0.
egg,
That egg is at 0. Okay. I think we've blown this case wide open. It should only be possible when the egg is at 0.
egg,
How did they become broken in the first place? I turned it upside down. Okay, here we go. The moment of truth.
egg,
Check the egg. The egg is upside down. Let's fix the egg. Fixing the egg so that the egg is the correct way around again. And now, it should not be possible to fix this egg now because it is fixed. Fixing the egg. Fuck
Egg.
off.
The egg is the correct way around.
Fuck off. What is wrong with you? What is wrong? Fixing the egg so that the egg is the correct way around again. The egg is fixed. Hang on. I'm being stupid. Fixing the egg so that the egg is the correct way around again. I was a runaway train here.
egg,
Okay, stop. Okay, we're going to start again because I think there's a mistake. I think there's a big mistake. Hang on. hang on. Everyone, hold your horses. No more egg. No, I'm smart. Egg rot get. So now we got a new command, and it's called get egg rot, and this is only for getting. Oh, yeah, okay, and then we disable all the other commands, right? And it's just for getting and printing the egg rot. Okay,
egg,
that's the egg now. Get egg rot.
egg,
Okay, and then if we wrong egg,
get,
that rotation value should be different. So if we do get egg rot, it should change. What is wrong with my life? Where did it all go wrong for me? Why is my life so hard? Hang on, let's just change this back to piss. Because something's gone wrong.
egg,
What has gone wrong? Okay.
egg,
That's the egg now. And if we get egg rot, it should say piss. Okay, so it works. It works. Oh no, I've got a sinking feeling. Okay, so now we're going to change this back to egg rot. Okay. So we check the egg, and then we're going to fix the egg.
Egg.
Fixing the egg so that the egg is the correct way around again. Phil, let me just explain what's going on. The egg sometimes goes the wrong way around, so I want a command so that we can fix the egg so it's the right way around, but I only want that command to be triggerable when the egg is broken because I think it's immersion breaking to fix an egg that's not the wrong way around.
Egg.
Okay, so I have a weird feeling that this is always 0
Egg.
because I think OBS and Leorum board are talking about 2 different egg rotation values. I
Egg.
know, it's the worst case scenario. It's code red. But look at this. Let me show you my theory.
Egg.
No one egg for a second, please. Let me fix the egg.
So that the egg is the correct way around again.
The egg is the correct way around again, right? Egg. That egg is the correct way around. So let's get egg rot. That is 0. Now, let's break the egg.
Yeah.
The egg is now the wrong way round. Let's check
Egg.
on the egg rotation value. Get egg rot. It just says
Egg.
0 regardless. It says 0 no matter what. I've got it. Plem, you're right, but if I set the variable along with the rotation value, then I use that in my if statement. So, here we go. I've got it. Wrong egg. Okay, so here, come with me. Okay, so we are going to set a variable here. Okay, we're going to set a little variable. You don't need to worry about it. We're just going to set a variable. I'm just going to set a local variable. Yeah, it doesn't need to be confusing, right? It'll be called egg status, and at this time, its value will be fucked, right? Because we've broken the egg, right? So the egg's fucked. No, we've fucked up the egg. Okay. Oh, what's the egg status? It's fucked. And yeah, that works. Okay, and then when we want to fix the egg, we want to ask it, is the egg fucked? So we go to egg status, and we go, is it fucked? And if it is fucked, then it will rotate it. And then we need to set the egg to fixed. This is way more than I thought it would be. Just going to set the egg to fixed. Okay, so here we go. Egg status, and it equals fine. You know, it's fine. Okay. Remember that fucked is a string, as in it has to be a number. Does string mean number? Are you a computer, Plem? Are you telling me the computer wisdom? Do you do computer for job? Okay, so egg status. 1 means fucked, 0 means fine. Does string mean numbers? String is words. Oh yeah, but it wants a value, right? So I gotta use numbers in the yellow boxes. That's no fun. It's no fun, but I understand and respect. All commands are disabled. I know why. It's because I put. Oh no, never mind. Oh, this is egg rot get. I don't need this. Egg rot get, that's a whole different kettle of egg. Value is 0.
Egg.
Okay? When the egg goes wrong, spin egg also is not important. Egg and spin egg can live over there because they're fine. They're not in contention. Wrong egg sets it to 1. Fix egg sets it to 0. And if it is 1, it can be fixed. Yeah? Surely that's it. And just to check. Oh, I can use fucked. No, Rosanna seems pretty confident that I should use numbers. But also, I think get egg rot, I should actually get egg status here. So this will be source egg text, and it should print out egg status. 1 means fucked, and 0 means fine. Okay? So currently, what we're going to look at,
Egg.
it's upside down. So it should be 1. So if we do get egg status, it should say 1.
Egg.
Didn't work. Hang on, it didn't work. Hang on. Hang on, what? No, it's because it was rotated before I did all of this. So if we put in wrong egg,
Get.
now it should have set it to 1. So if I do get egg status, now it should be 1.
Egg.
Was it get egg? Get wrong. Okay, even if we don't know, let's check if we can fix it more than once. Okay, so fix egg. I can't fix, but the egg is wrong. But the egg is wrong. Egg is wrong. Undefined, apparently. Well, what does a local variable mean? Is that a variable that can only be called in one command?
Egg.
How local is a local variable? Okay, hang on. Leorum board, local variable. Yeah, it will be. So I need a global variable, don't I? I'm such a flipping loser. I'm such a little scumbag. Okay, so I'm actually going to set a global variable. Of course. Here we want a global variable. And the variable name is egg status. Okay. It just needs to be global, guys. Okay. I can do this. A global variable called egg status. And you're also going to print egg status. Okay, so this egg is going global. Get egg. And how did I spell egg in egg status? Oh, that's not even a command. Get egg status. In fact, let's not even put get in. We'll just put egg status. Egg stat. No, egg status. Let's not be confusing. Okay.
Egg.
Yeah, you're right. Okay, so let's fuck the egg up. So wrong egg.
Get.
And now that egg global variable should be defined. So if we put get egg status. Fuck my life. Fuck my life. This is the worst day of my life. Egg status. Egg status. Yeah, variable name. Oh yeah. When I changed them to global, I didn't redefine the actual values. So egg status when you are fixed is 0. Yeah, that was a big mistake. Okay, so egg status. Oh no, wrong egg. No, check on the egg. The egg is upside down. And it shouldn't be that way. But no, we need to break it again. Wrong egg. Okay, and now the egg is the wrong way around. And so if we check the status, we want it egg status. What is wrong? What is wrong here? Source egg text. Okay, let me just check if we can make it egg status. No, it sort of works. Okay, there might be a different thing you need to do to call a global variable. So let's look up Leorum board. Leorum board call global variable. Variables, and then I'm going to put global. How do I call a global variable? Was the piss always there? Not always. Not always.
Egg.
Green marks a good example and red marks a bad example. Do I need to put it in speech marks? Does it need speech marks? It is a number, isn't it? It is a bloody number. Okay. So, get egg status. $/ and it is called egg stat. Hang on. It's not called. It's just called egg status. It's not called get egg. It's just called egg status. I don't know if that was always the error that I was making. This is get egg status, or is it egg status? Undefined. Do I need to check on a variable? Do I need to pull the variable, even though it's global? Do I need to pull the variable in here? So have I got to like, if I got to get the variable somehow?
Egg.
Yeah, get global variable. I'm going to get the variable egg status, and I'm going to save it as print egg. And we'll do that as the very, very first thing we do. We're going to get the variable egg status, and we're going to do it as print egg, and then we're going to print egg. Maybe it needs to call it and then use it somehow. So we're going to do egg status. Okay, and then I'm also just going to make a new button which only, and all it does is prints the word piss. Wrong egg? Why do I need wrong egg? This is just, I'm just trying to get it to print the variable. Commands. And all this does is it writes piss. So the trigger for this is just piss. Okay, piss. No, piss. No, hang on. Piss. Okay, so piss will say piss. So there's nothing wrong with that. But then if we use egg status, it doesn't know. It doesn't have a clue. Am I putting the $ and stuff in correctly? Yeah. Yeah. Variables can use parameters or inside any string. Okay, well, how about this, right? If I make this much smaller, and then we could try and print it with a string. Okay, so the egg status is... So we'll do it to piss to show that it works, and then we'll do egg status. 1. What? What? Why is that fixed anything? Piss, egg status. The egg status is 1. Why is it working? Why is it fixed? Okay. I don't know why it works now. The egg status is print egg. Okay, but we've come a long way. So, if I've done anything else correctly, the egg can be fixed. Right? If it works now, we're gonna fix the egg. We're gonna check the egg status. The egg status should say 0, and then it shouldn't let us fix the egg again. So first things first, we're gonna fix the egg. What?
Yeah.
Why can't I fix the egg? Because the egg is now 0. Because the egg is now 0.
Egg.
No. Because it's printing egg rot. We no longer want it to print. We're not using egg rot anymore.
Egg.
No. It's confused because there are 2 variables that are being printed, and that shouldn't be happening. That shouldn't be happening. Although egg rot is just the same as print egg. No, that's egg status. Get variable egg status. Yeah. If you're going to print
egg.
Oh. No, I don't understand. Hang on. Egg?
Egg.
The egg's upside down, right? So if we do egg status, the egg status is 1, right? And then if I fix the egg, right? So we'll just do fix egg. Why is fix egg doing that? Fix egg is not fixing the egg, but it is printing.
Egg.
It's printing here, but I told it not to do that.
Egg.
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 The egg is the wrong way around, so we'll do fix egg. I don't understand. If I change that to a not, what happens
Egg.
then? Fix egg.
Yeah.
Fix egg. Fixing the egg so that the egg is the correct way round again. And now we're going to fix it again.
Egg.
Fixing the egg so that the egg is the correct way round again.
Yeah.
Fixing the egg so that the egg is the correct way round again. Fixing the egg so that the egg is the correct way round again.
Yeah.
And then if I try to fix it again, fixing the egg so that the egg is the
Yeah.
correct way round again. Just time out, Harry.
Egg.
I have no idea what's going on here. So, regardless of which way the egg is, this is what's confusing me as well. I don't know why when I fix the egg it changes what prints. Because I've disabled that. I'm going to delete that completely.
Yeah.
So, I'm going to do piss. Right, that's piss. Egg status. That's the egg status is 1. Should it be 1?
Egg.
Yeah, 1 means fucked, and it's upside down currently. So, we want to fix the egg. Fixing the egg so that the egg is the correct way round again. Okay, so the egg is the correct way round, and now if we get eggs... Oh, well. I can't test it. I need to fix it again. Fixing the egg so that the egg is the correct way round again. And now, I want to check on the status of the egg, and it should say 0. It doesn't. And that's wrong. It's not updating. Egg status should then be 0. Egg status should be 0.
Yeah.
We're now in hour 2 of Egg Stream. We're getting there, SK. We're getting there. We are getting there. I think we'll be there very soon. I think we're almost ready to do a mind map. Stevie's your dart.
Egg.
I'm doing my very best to explain. If the egg is wrong, then you can fix the egg.
Egg.
But if the egg is not wrong, then you can't fix the egg. That's success. Okay, egg. So the egg is wrong currently. And the egg status is 0, which, hang on. The egg status should be 1. Good. That's good. Now we want to fix the egg. Fixing the egg so that the... And now we want to check the egg status. The egg status should be 0 now. Fuck.
Egg.
Can I still fix the egg again?
Fixing the egg.
No,
so that
no
the
one
egg is the
cares. No
correct
one
egg.
around again. My life's ruined. My life's just ruined.
Egg.
This is the end of my life now. That's the end of my life. My life's over. No one on Earth understands why this one doesn't work. The whole planet doesn't understand.
Egg.
This is the end of my entire life. This is the worst thing that's ever happened to me. I can't stop. I just can't stop until it's fixed.
Egg.
I just can't do anything
Egg.
else now. I just can't do anything else. I have to fix this egg. That's it. I could be doing this the rest of my life.
Egg.
This stream is not going to stop until I fix this egg.
Egg.
I don't
Egg.
even want the egg to be fixed.
Egg.
I don't even want the egg to be fixed. I just want it so that if it is fixed, you can't fix it again. You can't double fix. If it's fixed, it's fixed. I don't understand. Set global variable. I just don't understand.
Egg.
What if you change the egg rotation so that it rotates
Yeah.
to 360 rather than 180? The egg rotation
Egg.
values are now
Egg.
almost irrelevant because we're not using the rotation values anymore. We're just
Egg.
making a custom variable, and it sets that variable to 1 if the egg is upside down, and then it changes the variable back to 0 if the egg is the right way up. And then when you try to change the egg from being upside down to the right way up,
Egg.
it checks if that variable is at 1 or at 0.
Egg.
And I can't for the life of me understand why it's not working. The variable name is egg status.
Yeah.
When the egg is wrong, it makes the egg value go to 1. When the egg is correct, it makes the egg value go to 0. But really it should work like this. Hang on. Egg status. It says it's at 0 now, which means the egg should be correct.
Egg.
But the egg's upside down, so that's wrong. How's that even happened? Something's wrong here. Something's wrong. Why is
Egg.
the egg value like that? So if I do wrong egg, no, it should be the way around, right? When the egg
Egg.
goes wrong, when you do wrong egg, the value goes to 1, right? So when the egg is wrong,
Egg.
that's upside down, right? That's wrong. That's not how an egg should be. We do egg status, that should be a 1, but oh, it is a 1.
Yeah.
It is a 1 now. Egg status,
Egg.
a 1. Let's see if I fix the egg. Fix egg. Huh? What?
Egg.
I can't fix the egg. But the egg status is 1.
Egg. Yeah.
But the egg status is 1. Huh. Hang on. This wants a value. Oh, it's not allowing yellow boxes. You can type a variable name directly known for insert.
Egg.
Right. Does it need like this?
Yeah.
Does it need this? Does that do anything? Egg.
Egg.
Egg's the wrong way around. So the egg status should be 1. And it is. Let's fix the egg. Can't. Not allowed. Just not allowed. Would I be able to do it if I
Yeah.
said didn't equal?
Egg.
Fix egg. Fixing the egg so that the egg is the correct way round again. Egg status. So it's 1. And now I shouldn't do it again. Fixing the egg so that the egg is the
Yeah.
correct way round again. Is 1 right or wrong? 1 is wrong, 0 is correct. 0 is the egg the way the egg should be.
Egg.
Harry's wrong. 1 is upside down. 0 is right way up. And what it should do is check
Egg.
if the egg is at 1, then it can be fixed. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, because 1 means
Egg.
true, right? So let's do egg fucked. The variable name is egg fucked.
Egg.
Egg fucked.
Egg.
Egg fucked. And then, well, it doesn't matter here. What's interesting, right, is I can't print the global variable. So if I want to put in print egg fucked, I don't think it's going to tell me. So if I do piss, right, just to reset, and then if we do egg status, yeah, it's undefined. So this makes me think that there is a problem with calling global variables. That there's something special required for calling global variables that's different from
Egg.
calling a local variable. And that might be the issue. Because if I change this print command to print egg, it will give a number. Print egg, egg status. Okay, it's that's turned out not to be true. Print egg. Yeah, I don't understand. Oh, it's because that global variable hasn't been set. So we do wrong egg,
Yeah.
and now print egg should work. Get egg status. Oh, that's not true. I'm gonna change this trigger to print egg. Egg fucked is saved locally as print egg. Yeah. Egg fucked. Egg fucked equals 1. Egg fucked.
I'm speaking to you at what I know is an increasingly challenging time.
That was really loud. Piss. Print egg. Won't print anything now. Print egg. What? Print anything. Print egg. Print anything. Okay, good. This is just piss. Let's just call it piss so I don't get confused. And this is print egg. The only help I need is the Leorum board documentation explaining calling global variables. Okay, so now it should be able to say print anything. So we can just say like a big dog that loves me. Check that we're doing that right. So okay, print egg.
Egg.
No, sorry, one G. Okay, the big dog that loves me. So now if we do egg fucked status, 1 equals fucked and 0 equals not fucked, this egg is egg fucked, and that's the global variable. So if we do print egg undefined. Why? Okay, but if we do print egg, maybe that will work. So if we do wrong egg to push a value,
Yeah.
we check egg, we do piss, and then we print egg, then we've got 1. But is that even true? It's currently true, but what if we fix the egg? We can't fix the egg. Okay. Why can't we fix the egg? Well, the egg is fucked, right? The egg's fucked.
Egg.
Right, it's upside down. Its egg fucked value is 1. And here we have... Maybe I look at the if statement. Maybe the if statement just doesn't work the way I think it would. The egg is... Jonesy,
Egg.
that egg's upside down. Jonesy, that egg's upside down. That's wrong. Okay. Lure on board if statement. The if statement is used to specify a block of commands to be executed if a condition is true. Else statement is executed if a condition is false. Show an example. So you have to take a variable and you have to turn it into real. Hang on. Okay, so lure on board, turn to real. But turn to real turns something into a real number, right?
Egg.
Real. Null values can sometimes be undefined. Can you do egg does not equal 1? As in zeros. It does null value equal 0. So the recommendation is to change the value so that 0 doesn't appear. That's interesting. The thing to do that would... If we fix the egg should get a null value. Okay, well how about we set it to 1 and 2? So when... In fact, we can write it straight into... To remind ourselves, we can write into 1 equals fine and 2 equals wrong. Okay. Print egg. Oh. You just need to double save. Okay. Print egg. Egg fuck status. 1 equals fine, 2 equals wrong. This egg is 1. And then let's also make that the same everywhere else. So if the egg is wrong, it's becoming 2. And if the egg is being fixed, it's becoming 1. So we want to look if it's 2. And then if it isn't 2, then we set it to 1. So if we wrong egg now,
Yeah.
then when we print egg, it should be 2.
Egg.
Oh, sorry, print egg with 1G. Huh? The egg fucked value should now be 2. Oh, it's because I've done it.
Egg.
That's egg fixed. And when the egg becomes wrong, it turns to 2. Let me just double check. Okay, so the egg is upside down. Wrong egg to turn the egg upside down. And then we're going to check on the egg. Print egg. Now it's 2. Now if we fix egg, we're not allowed. Hang on. But it is 2. Egged fucked equals 2. It says it right here when I check print egg. Print egg. Piss. Print egg. Wrong egg. It's 2. And so when it's checking if it can do the if command, it looks at the value of egg fucked and it says, is it 2? And it is 2 because we've checked there and the egg is 2. So it should then trigger what comes next. That is very confusing to me. But what happens if we change it to 1? Fix egg. Okay. That's very confusing. But if we change it to is not 2, so if we change that from equals to not equals, fix egg will work. Fixing the egg so that the egg is the correct way around again. But we can fix egg indefinitely. Fixing the egg so that the egg is the correct way around again. Harry, how do you not understand what I'm trying to do? I want it so that you can only fix the egg if it's broken. Open variable window.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Egg.
This seems to tell us
Egg.
what the variable is. Good night, Josie. We will fix it. Don't worry. This egg will never go upside down again.
Egg.
Okay, so there's egg fucked and there's egg status. But egg status is a thing of the past now. We're not really using that anymore. But it might be useful to know what egg fucked is at. So we'll keep the global variables up and then we'll wrong egg.
Yeah.
Okay, so egg fucked is 2. And now if we fix egg, fixing the egg so that the egg is the correct way around again. It is working correctly. When we fix the egg, it's 1. And when we wrong the egg, it's 2. And when we fix the egg, it's 1. Fixing the egg so that the egg is the correct way around again.
Yeah.
So that's 2. And if we fix the egg, fixing the egg so that the egg is the correct way around again. So the variable is working. So something is wrong
Egg.
in looking for the value. So I think we need to look at the documentation for if statements.
Egg. Yeah.
So for some reason, all of these examples variable, real, or string.
Egg.
Variable, real, or string. Do you need to get the value again? As in, rather than look for it, we specifically have to tell it to get it. It's got to be something like that, right? Where it just doesn't know to look for it until we have to explicitly pull the value. All right. Can't hurt, can it? All right. So the first thing it should do is look for the value. So, that's setting it. Get global variable. The global variable we want to get is egg fucked. And then we got to save it as some local variable. Is egg bust. Fine, if that's what it needs. And then I'll put that right at the top. That was the first thing we should do, was to get the variable, and then it looks for is egg bust instead.
Egg.
Is egg bust. I can try that. I think it'd be very annoying if that's what it is.
Egg.
No delay. Have I still got a delay on there? Is egg bust? Yeah, I don't know why it's defaulting to 3-second delays.
Egg.
Hi, David Hoare.
Egg.
Egg. Okay. So, David, I have sat here for an hour and a half just to make a little script that will rotate an egg and only let you rotate it back if it's definitely the wrong way around.
Egg.
Okay. So, let's begin. First, we're going to set the text to piss, and then we're going to set the text. Then we're going to look at the egg.
Egg.
The egg is the correct way round, so the egg variable should be 1. If we do print egg, the egg variable should be 1. Hang on.
Yeah. Egg.
Hang on, Harry. Okay, well, the egg variable now should be 2. Let's set to piss. And then let's do print egg. Now it should be 2. Then if we do fix egg, fixing the egg so that the egg is the correct way around again. And now this is the proof in the pudding. It should not let me fix the egg a second time. Yes! Yes! I cannot fix the egg because the egg is fixed. What's the status of the egg? The egg is the right way round. If we print the egg, it should say 1. I did. Absolutely. Crank it. Absolutely crank it. There we go. That's streaming. That's it. Welcome, Raiders. Thanks so much for the raid. This is the worst day of my life.
Egg. 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 Egg.
No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. No. I've turned it down for you, but I didn't turn it down for me. You can have a bit of it. So we learnt the problem. Even though you can have global variables, you need to pull them into a local variable every time you want to use them. The egg is now wrong. If we check the egg status, it should say 2. Print egg.
Egg.
Oh.
RCPTN tip £3. Egg King Mall.
Yeah, it's now 2. Is there some delay on print egg? Yeah. Again, it's that 3-second delay before it. Yeah, okay.
Egg.
And now I should be able to fix the egg. Fixing the egg so that the egg is the correct way around again. And now I can't fix it again because it's fixed. That's all I want. Okay, let's make some raid graphics. Let's get down to business.
Yeah.
All right. So, what do we want to make? We got half an hour left. Let's what would be the best thing to have for a raid?
Egg.
That was just the intro, Stevie. That was just me trying to fix something before we started.
Egg.
Thank you, David. Just a little button now. Is our CPTNMS how we pronounce it? Oh, I see.
Okay.
I pronounce it reception music.
Egg.
Yeah, the chess tweet, E2 to D2. That yeah, that was one of the ones where you just tweet something and then you go away for a little bit, and then suddenly it's gone all around the world. I saw that Hassan Abi had tweeted it at Alexandra Botes. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing her name correctly. I'm not as much of a chess guy as I was maybe a year. I wasn't as much of a chess guy as I was during COVID lockdown time.
Egg.
You can fuck a fucked egg. I don't care about that. I just don't need to be able to fix a fixed egg.
Fixing the egg so that the egg is the correct way around.
Okay, guys, we've had our fun with the eggs. When people raid here, what do they need to know? Because I think, here's what I think, right? Ideal raid event
Egg. Egg.
should instantly what's the word I want? It should be overwhelmingly idiosyncratic, like the boat ride from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Yeah, did you get a kick out of the egg status? To be absolutely perfectly honest with you, it was not my intention for the stream to be a 90-minute egg event. Okay, so I think it should be like... I think it should be fast and weird. The other thing it should be is in some way visually and technically gripping. I think we have the power now with this Leorum board to make something overwhelming. I just don't know what. A big song element. I'm not doing a raid event that requires me to sing live. As much as I admire Cressup's commitment to the bit, I am not going to commit myself to singing any kind of jingle. I would very much like to hit a button and then lots of things happen. And I can more pitch in. Oh, is it? I'd become convinced. I had Mandela affected myself. Would you like a jingle? Well, I don't know if I want to know what it is. I think it should have I think it should have strong visuals and the music should fit that. I can't commission. I can't say anything about the music. I think the visuals come first and the music must meet. You've copied Cressup's Eggy. Cressup has an Eggy. Jordan Rasco's hype train thing. No. But I think my best, for me, the best thing I could do is not see anyone else's things right now, because if I see something, that means I can't do that now, because then I would have copied it. Whereas if I come up with an idea and I didn't know if someone else was doing it, I've got every right to have had an idea in my head that resembles something else in the world. But I don't have a right to see something and then make something similar. But then that's it, right? If we were doing Pie in the Sky, what would be the best thing? Like, if we could make anything happen, what would it be? And what should it represent? What are the key fixtures
Egg.
of being here? It's like a live trailer for this space. The sky with a pie in it. It's quite literal. Quite easy to make though. Live goatsy element. Yeah, I think I'm going to rescind your ability to provide me with ideas. I think I'm going to undo the question. I think multiple malls. And I think going to a new scene or environment. But where? Where would I like to go? The sky? Hell? Prison? Old-timey prison. The workhouse. Floating bubble. Yeah. Maybe some sort of like Serial Experiments Lane style 90s anime internet. Or the thing I like the idea of, and I think in practice it didn't work, is whenever people raid, we suddenly go to a study and I pretend that the entire stream. One thing I quite like is when a raid arrives, you quickly pretend that the stream is something completely different. Because we've got time, right? I think we'll get the notification to say there's a raid coming in. And that should be enough time for me to press a button and it completely changes the entire scene. And we get to pretend this is a stream about something completely different. Something that wouldn't make any sense and couldn't sustain any time at all. What would be the worst stream? What would be the worst stream you could think of? And then we could mock that up and people could pretend that's what this is.
Egg.
Do you know what there could be? Do you know what there could be? I've had an idea. I've had a big idea. So you know how the internet's kind of obsessed with Twitch fails? Hello, Marcy. Welcome to the stream, and thank you for the follow. Okay, let me continue conspiratorially. We spot in this pixel, this, mine being shamed, green screen shamed. I can't quite get rid of it. Anyway, let me conspiratorially tell you this, right? You know how Twitch is obsessed with Twitch fails? This idea that people are like live streaming all day long and then terrible events could happen to them. Like, one is like, you know, they have they have an argument with their partner while they're on stream, and their partner's just really annoyed because they're just playing games all their life, and that argument bleeds in audibly into the stream or something like that. And there are people that clip all of these things and put them in Twitch fail compilations. Well, I could have something pre-recorded so that whenever I get a raid, it goes to this clip and it looks like I'm just a very generic streamer, maybe playing a first-person shooter, and I start acknowledging the raid and I start saying, thank you so much for the raid, thanks so much. But then, like, something happens and it's pre-recorded. But every raider gets to feel like they've come in at a really bad time. Every raider comes in and they think I'm in the middle of being swatted, or they think I'm in the middle of a massive argument with my wife, or that I live with my mum and my mum is shouting at me. Or that the police are here, or that my house is on fire. '90s, well, Oracle, I think you haven't quite got it. Is that no one realistically thinks I was sat at home and I got gunged. Please consider the ads. I can take the ads into account because if with this idea, right, because that's the whole idea, Plem, is that I'm going to see on my ticker, oh, so and so's raiding, and then I can go bam, we're in this different scene, but the stuff, whatever the thing is, the falsified Twitch fail, that isn't going to kick in until about 30 seconds in. So people will have like a minute of being like, is this what it is? Just this guy? And I could make a few of them, right? And they could be randomized. What's the funniest one, though? Alien. No, Oracle, because no one's really going to think that someone's in their house and they got beamed up by aliens or that zombies came in. It needs to be something that could conceivably happen on the real Earth. Left foot in the oven. Yeah, but it would have to be like left foot in the oven and the oven's exploded, or yeah, a fire. There's a massive fire in my house. Do you know what I'd need? I was trying to think, how could you pre-record a green screen falling down in such a way that you could green screen it, if you know what I mean? You'd need like a blue screen and a green screen behind that. Because I could have it where I sit and I record in my green screen, but I record it falling for some reason, and you see what's really happening. I also would need to get someone in to play the other part in this. Mono isn't going to... He's not going to agree to give it the level of welly that I desperately want it to have. My wife comes in and shoots me with a gun. I think that would be TOS. ETN landlord at the window. And the other option is like absolute arch surrealism, where I get picked up by myself and launched into the sky or something like that. Thrown at the moon and then stamped on by myself. I keep feeling the funniest thing I can do, because obviously like I just record from here to here, the funniest thing I can do is eat myself, and that a larger me appears at the window and reaches in like King Kong and eats me, or maybe bites my own head off like a pepperami. Is Joz maybe available in your area? No, Joz is going to bounce off the gig and go to Lincoln, but Ben Tage is going to be staying over tomorrow night. Ben Tage? Yeah, but Ben, I can't rope him into a thing. He'll have just done a gig. I've agreed to give him a bed, but I'm not going to say, you've just done a gig and you've come to my house, it's nearly midnight, can you be in this thing? I don't think that's... I wouldn't want that done to me. It's not Vor. Not Vor if I'm not turned on. It's not Vor if I'm going, please don't do this. You know, when people get eaten by monsters and stuff, it's not always Vor. Only Vor if someone's, you know, getting off. Like if someone's kicking me, no one's going to say, oh, kinky. Because the presumption is if you're getting kicked that you're not liking it. I'm being kicked, or big night for you. No, I'm being harmed. Someone's hurting me. Yeah, exactly. If I very keen to shout at the top of my lungs. I'm not getting anything from this. This is doing nothing for me. What about? This is a scaled down idea. This is a scaled down idea. What if, because obviously like people come in and we can pretend it's quite a generic stream. And what if there was gameplay of a first person shooter like Sniper Elite or something like that? And I look through the scope, but then I look through a building and through the window of that building, it's me. at home streaming. But I'm playing the game. You can see me, you can see me down here playing the game, looking at that, looking through the scope, but it's me in the building. And then I look out, like out of my own window. And then in the game, I decide to shoot through that window. And then I decide to shoot through that window. And the moment it connects, my head it just explodes. And I just killed myself. I don't know how that acknowledges the raid. I don't know how that does the job of acknowledging the raid. But it's made me laugh a lot. I think that's quite a funny thing to do. I know. What if out of my neck, out of the stump, the words come out, "Thank you for the raid," and a few and a few like streamers and balloons come out, and then the real me that's not pre-recorded comes up and I say, "Thank you so much for raiding." I think that's quite a fun idea. I think that's quite funny. Well, the issue is, Rosanna, is to get all of that choreographed, I might pre-record it. And so I want the raiders to come in, not be acknowledged, because there's that thing with the 30 seconds. So for 30 seconds, it's just me playing an old first-person shooter. And I guess in the pre-record, I'll say, "Oh, I've just seen we just got a raid. Thanks so much, everyone, for raiding in. I'm just going to be with you in a second." And then I notice the thing, and then that little event plays out. Yeah, maybe those words come out of the balloons. Maybe the balloons all pop and it goes, "Thanks so much for the stream. What did you get up to? What were you playing? Seen any good emotes lately? Seen any good gifs?" Oh, I think that's quite funny. That's quite a funny idea. I can't make that now, obviously. But that's it, right? That's the idea. Okay, let's think. People raid in. And obviously I can't say the name of the streamer. I've got a pad for 30 seconds as per Plem's advice. So I'll just be like I'm a little gamer goblin, being like, "Okay, yeah. Oh hey, I just seen we got a raid. Thanks so much for raiding, everyone. Let me just I'm just gonna be with you in a moment. I just need to do this mission." And then I notice this. Yeah, I got to make that 30 seconds interesting enough that it's not just silence, but it's not so integral that the people who are stuck behind the ads miss it. And also, what game would make sense for this? Part of me wants to think like GoldenEye. It should be a game where should be Sniper Elite, because that's always like World War II settings. What's a game where you could plausibly look into a British northern residential house with a gun? No, because I have to shoot myself in the head, Maggie. Hitman. I want first person though. Although, maybe there's a first person mode. I don't really know Hitman so well. I would prefer it that it is a first person shooter where you're always in first person mode. So all you see is just the reticule. Modern Warfare 3. I don't play the first-person shooters to know what makes sense. Fallout 4. No, it needs to. I want it to look nondescript, so I don't want it to be like a post-apocalyptic. I can't remember where Fallout 4 set, but. I mean, part of me thinks Cruelty Squad. I know, as ever, I'm breaking my own rules here, but I want to. There's a level in Cruelty Squad, and I want to look through it. I need to update my Steam. Homefront the Revolution. Oh, 13 minutes of Homefront the Revolution gameplay. This looks like a disaster zone. I just want it to be nondescript grey buildings. Or we very, very intentionally go the other way around. I'm going to reinstall Cruelty Squad. I want to look through level number 2. Don't look at my Steam library. Just going to nudge this one up. I made this recently. This music. There is a level number 2 in Cruelty Squad. I remember having buildings. And it's not going to fit what I'm saying at all. It's a very aggressively weird looking game. How do I skip this stuff? Okay. Okay. Paradise, is it? Is that what I'm looking for? And then how do I play? Okay. So I think this is a really aggressively weird looking game. But it also might be very striking for this to be just a game I'm idly playing. Have I crashed it? Or are you just loading in the background? Telling me it's not responding, but that could just be it loading. I'll give it a minute. I owe it to them. Give them a little minute. But look, in the meantime, I don't know if you've seen this, but if you turn the egg upside down, you could fix it. You can fix the egg. Fixing the egg so that the egg is the correct way around again. Yeah. Oh, it's gone wrong again. I got a feeling it has actually legitimately crashed. Okay, I'll just load it up again. It's interesting that the game captures now. Hopefully. Okay, I'll try not to press as many buttons this time. Paradise, start mission, and then don't press. Then just let it do its thing. And then trust. Put my trust in the game. Okay, I don't like the border. Oh god, no, that's too much. That's too much. I've decanked the game. Does it also decank the egg when I do that? Because I think everything runs through the same audio thing. Yeah. Everything just runs through this one desktop sounds audio channel. I need Sharbel to come and... Sharbel has offered to help me work out audio routing. I need someone to give me input on that, because I find it... Every time you set something up, it creates problems somewhere else in the workflow. Somewhere in here there's a sniper, so I was imagining these buildings. I was imagining these buildings would provide a space I could look in, because they're these quite big... I don't know where the sniper rifle is. Somewhere in here there's a sniper rifle. And then you'd get a zoomed in reticule. You're bad? Okay. Kind of like the idea of gaming. So I may not be doing a very good idea explaining what's in my head. I like the idea that I'm going around and then I look and I can see through an open window like this one, me. The problem with Kingsfield is it's all corridors. The idea that I could look through like an aperture that's quite a way away and have the capacity to zoom in inside the game. It's very... I don't think it's exclusively limited to first-person shooters, but I do want to shoot myself in the head. There has to be a way that once I've noticed myself in the world, that I also can interact with the me that's in the overlay. So in Kingsfield, I don't know if I could send a projectile through to wherever I superimpose myself. GTA games with a good sniper zoom. That's not a bad idea. How much is the most recent GTA now? Has the price come down? GTA might be a really obvious choice as well. I obviously would like to not spend, for example, £50 to make a 2 to 3 minute video. But GTA is a good idea. I bet if I wishlist GTA, I can get it. GTA is going to be it, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah. Using a weirder game as this is going to step on the joke, isn't it? It should be GTA. Just a very big, well-known game. Well-known enough that its visuals, you know, determine what is generic. How much is GTA then? Grand Theft Auto. Grand Theft Auto 5 is £12.89. No. So I'm not going to map my face to a GTA character. I'm going to line it up. And then I'm going to, in that window frame, I'm going to recreate what it would look like if you could see me in my room. I think I'll just like I'll take a picture of my bedroom and then I'll put like the back of a monitor and I'll have me like just in between it, but probably doing all the same stuff. Because what I will have, because if you I mean just to help, obviously I'm here with a green screen, right? But if you take that off, I'm just in here. I'm sat on a chair with a bit of green material on it, and I've got a green screen up behind me, right? So I would create an environment. In fact, I'll show you. I'll show you what I'd do. Oh, sorry, I went to a scene without a microphone in it. But if we come over into put some music back on. What's this music going to play now? Yeah, pretty relaxed. Pretty relaxed. Okay, so if we come into a scene like this. Epic is a similar place with a possibility. What do you mean by a possibility? So we'll just do UK streamer bedroom. Okay, and we want like a landscape shot. I don't want it to look too fancy because I don't want people to think I live in a nice place. I don't want people to think I have a nice life. That's too dirty. Wow, I don't know. What am I looking for? What's the search terms? Back of monitor. I know I'm gonna want that. Yeah, that's what I want. That's the back of a monitor. The base actually isn't going to be important, but let's still cut around it nice and neatly. Monitor. And then I'm going to say like dark LED bedroom. Ugh, these are horrible. These are horrible. Nevertheless. And then the other thing we want that's important is that I'm probably going to be looking across or up. That'll be my eye line, right? If I'm in a first-person shooter looking in a window, I'm not going to be looking down. But a lot of photos are taken from a vantage point from a corner looking down. Whereas I want the kind of photograph that no one ever really takes, which is like eye level horizontally at a wall. But no one ever takes those kind of pictures. Everyone takes pictures of diagonals. Although, see if I can tin eye that bigger. No, I can't. I can tin I can only find smaller versions. Oh, but here we are. Here we are. This is. If you were to imagine that I was looking into a room, like I'm in a building in GTA and I'm looking out with a sniper rifle at someone to shoot. And then I can see like this guy in a room like this, but it's me. So let me just export these as transparent PNGs, and we can set that up in a scene and, you know, talk about it. I don't like that there's that big, bright window. It doesn't make sense when I'm streaming at night, for instance. That's why I wanted it dark. Because it's a bit timeless. Because you can always make a room dark. You can't always introduce natural light. But the idea, I think, would be something like... would battle stations get you anything? What, searching battle stations into Google Images? I think that would take me to military interiors. So, we put these in their own group. And the other thing we want to add into this group... Oh. And then the other thing that we want to add in is another copy of my webcam. There he is. There he is. And then we put him in here, right? So he's playing. You know, he's doing stuff over there. And then we get the whole thing. And we put it like that, right? So I would be yeah, so he'd need to be up while I'm not. Yeah, this guy would need to be. Yeah, well maybe I'd need to sit like this perhaps, so that he could be sort of scaled up. Like this. Yeah, and he's playing in his computer. And then I see him with a gun. But then he's reacting as I'm reacting, but he's in the game. You don't understand the perspective of this. Hang on. It's not realistic that I can buy and download GTA right now. But let's get back into Cruelty Squad, because it's the only thing I can think of to try and demonstrate what I mean. Unable to sync. I don't care. The egg ain't gonna be in it. The egg's not part of it. She'll be getting shot from the front. Yeah, I'll be getting shot in the forehead, I guess. I'm gonna turn down the Cruelty Squad music. It's actually very loud. How do I turn? Where are the options? Oh my god, it's very loud. Can you yank some GTA off of YouTube? Why would I? This would need to match. I'll need to find a very specific angle. I'll need to hold I need to control the cursor when it moves and stuff. There's no way I could do it from prefab footage. Why there isn't a second camera angle to this? I think because I want to see... You're right, I could film it twice. I was thinking the easy way to make it happen. Okay, so I want to get into a position where I can look in a window. Sure, this is a window right here. Okay, so I'm looking in a window. Oh no, I need to go borderless windowed. Okay. Settings. Not full screen. But nevertheless, be 1080, please. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, so it doesn't want to play ball. Okay, it does. It now wants to play ball. And now it doesn't. Okay, and now it does. Okay, so I'd be in here. The perspective is wrong, obviously. In an ideal world, I'd be looking across. But you'd have to imagine that I'm like in there, but I'm zooming in. I can sort of see myself. I think 2 camera angles would be better. I also think maybe... like we could rotate this a little bit. And what I could probably do, I don't know if you can do this. I don't know if I can do this live. Obviously, I'd cut that out, right? That would be cut out. And I'd put this scene in here. And so I would have my gun, and I'd look in there. I mean, it doesn't work like this, right? But I'd look in there and I'd go, huh? Huh? And then I'd shoot him in the head and then I'd die. But my head would explode. But I guess my head would have to go back. I could film myself from another angle and then try and match all of my movements from a second angle. To make it work the way I want to, it'd have to be done with another green screen setup at a different side of me. I am going to make this. Not now, I think. But I am going to make that. I think it's a funny idea. In my head, there's something that I think I could actually make. And I think you're right. I think GTA 5 is exactly the right one. No more eating the second Sean like a pepperami, I think. I think that will be part of the Raid idea sequel. But with that, I know it's been a really weird stream. I didn't do very much, and I mostly shouted about an egg. I mostly shouted about an egg for 90 minutes, and it was the worst day of my life, and I'm ashamed. But I did actually get everything I wanted from this as well, which was to come up with a stream idea. And I got that, so that's that. I don't know when I'm going to make it, because, well, I'm just going to have to chuck that on the to-do list, along with all the other things swimming around on there. But I think that's a funny idea for a raid. I think I know how to make it. And I will. Obviously, there's no point getting started in a serious way now, because it's 10:15. So I'm probably going to clock off and say thank you for watching. Possibly, if I get a lot of the assets together, I'll put them together on stream. Some of it I just can't do on stream, and some of it's boring, too boring. But thank you for keeping me company. Thank you for helping me fix the egg thing. I shouldn't have gotten into such an egg rut, but I think some of you will understand. Once I had gotten far down the egg rabbit hole, as I did, I just had to fix that egg. Good night, everyone. I'll see you on Friday for some 1 hour, one life. After having spoken to people about the night hole, I think the night hole is popular with people, and people don't want to see it fall off the schedule. And so I think there could be a place for a regular night hole, but it would fall on a different evening to the current streams. And so have a think when you might think that would be what would be a good evening for that. I like the night hole, and I think it would be fun to do one. I think maybe a monthly night hole could be it. Could be the answer to all our prayers. Okay. I'm going to chuck you out into the world. I'll see you all later. And maybe we'll go on our own raid and see. Maybe we'll go see Cressup sing. We'll see how it's really done. We all helped. We all helped one another. And I helped myself in a big way. Okay, I will see you all later. Be good, be well. Good night, and goodbye.